Hey kids, so today we have this activity that is lowercase letter learning activity. These are lowercase letters from letter A to letter Z. But wait, we don't have all of them present on this board. So we have to write down all of them together. So let's get started. So kids, here we have this color. Let's open it together. Yes, so it is a red color. We have to write all of them with this color, so let's get started. First of all, we have this lowercase letter A written on this board. Let's write it. Like this is a lowercase letter A. Next box is empty. So can you tell me what comes after A? Yes, B comes after A. So we have to write down lowercase letter B like this. Good job. As you can see, next lowercase letter C is already written in the next box. So we have to write it down with this red color like this. Good job. So kids, next box is empty. Can you tell me what comes after C? Yes, D comes after C, so we have to write it down. Here we have lowercase letter D like this. Good job. Lowercase letter E is already written, so we have to write it down with this red color all together like this. Alright, so next box is also empty. Can you tell me what comes after E? Alright, so F comes after E. So we have to write down lowercase letter F like this. Oops, next box is also empty. So can you tell me what comes after F? Yes, G comes after F. So we have to write down a lowercase letter G. This is lowercase letter G. Good job. Next we have H. So we have to write down H with this red color like this. After H, lowercase letter I comes after A. So we have to write down lowercase letter I like this. Good job. Next we have lowercase letter J already written over here. And next we have to write down lowercase letter K. Then L is already written over here, so we have to write down lowercase letter L with this red color. Next box is also empty, so we have to write down lowercase letter M like this. Next we have lowercase letter N like this. Next we have to write down lowercase letter O. Then P is already written over here. Next we have an empty box, but we know Q comes after P. So here we have lowercase letter Q. Then we have lowercase letter R like this. Then we have to write down S. After S, we have to write down lowercase letter T like this. After T, we have lowercase letter U. Then we have to write down lowercase letter V. Then W. lowercase letter X, Y, then we have lowercase letter Z. That is the last lowercase letter among all the lowercase letters. Alright kids, so we have written all the lowercase letters from A to Z. So let's revise all of them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we have written all the lowercase letters with the color red. I hope you like this activity. If you like this activity, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.